Truth about hashtags. Let's be honest, there's a lot of confusion when it comes to hashtags. There was a time when everybody said, go ahead, use all the hashtags you can possibly use at that time. And we had the phase where everybody was saying, like, use 10 to 15 hashtags, which turned into, let's use just 5 hashtags, which turned into, don't even bother using hashtags. So what does this all mean for you? Actually means there's just no correct answer, but there are some do's and don'ts, and that's what I'm going to give you today. Use hashtags. They actually do help categorize your content. It is helpful, so you do want to use them. Don't forget to use them. Do use niched down hashtags. I don't necessarily promote niching down your specific video content, but I do support niching down your hashtags, meaning don't use a really broad one like family. Use something more specific like family trip to Disney, or something very specific. Means you don't want to use things like FYP or For You page. Remember just to have fun with them, and you don't actually have to stress about them because there's no right answer, but they are useful. So how are you going to use hashtags from now on? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more ways of making social media simple and more answers to crazy questions, be sure to hit the follow button.